If you love marinades that hit smoky, creamy, sweet, and spicy all at once, this BBQ Sriracha Yogurt Marinade might become your new favorite. The full ingredient list with exact measurements is waiting for you down in the description. Let's start with a 1/4 cup of BBQ sauce, together with 1½ tablespoons of Sriracha sauce for that bold, smoky heat. Next, add a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, which makes the marinade creamy and helps tenderize the protein. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, along with 1 tablespoon of honey for a balance of savory and sweetness. Follow that with 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to deepen the flavor and add a little tang. Now drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add 2 cloves of minced garlic for richness. Next, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika together with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper for smoky warmth. And finally, finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and about 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lime juice for extra depth and a little tang. Once everything is in, simply mix until the marinade becomes smooth and fully combined. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, hit like, share it with a fellow food lover, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll be the first to know whenever a new recipe kicks in. And just like that, your BBQ Sriracha Yogurt Marinade is ready to go. This recipe makes about 1 cup of marinade, which is perfect for about 1 to 1½ pounds of your favorite protein. Give this marinade a try and let us know in the comments how you used it and how it turned out. I'd love to hear your delicious results, and I'll see you soon with another flavorful recipe.